Hey everybody out there in the art world, it's Isto James here, and I'm joined with a special guest today. This is Owen. Say hey to everybody.
Hello.
We decided that we're going to do a Green Lantern painting. So I gave him the option to do colored pencils or clay painting. You chose painting, right?
Yeah.
So do you know what we're going to do as the first step to doing this painting?
We're going to that was the chair. Trust me, that was the chair.
It was just the chair,
We're
you sure?
gonna start with 2 paintbrushes and
Yes, I have
bang
those somewhere.
it on each other,
it
and then
went
the paint's just gonna fall down on the painting.
Right, and what are we trying to accomplish when we do that?
We're trying to accomplish a galaxy.
There you go.
Sort of.
Yeah.
Like space.
Cool. So obviously he is green, yes? So we
Yes.
have a lot of different green colors that we're going to use.
Yeah.
Like phthalo green. We're going to have fluorescent green. Things like that, because he's got different shades of green. I already sketched out what we're going to do. We took the Ryan Reynolds Green Lantern, because even though the movie was terrible, the picture is fantastic.
Yeah.
Right? High five. We want to show the audience there what we got going. So once we have our galaxy all set up, it might be too bright to see,
Yeah.
but they'll see it later. We're going to do this sketch. We're going to transfer it to our black canvases.
Black canvas. It's black. It's entirely black. No pencil yet.
No pencil yet. So we're going to transfer that and we're going to see how it goes. And then hopefully we'll come out with a really cool glowing Green Lantern, right?
Yep.
Heck yeah. All right. Let's get it going. Fan brush, yeah.
I thought you meant like one of those.
If you want to call it a
Colors up
broom
there.
brush, though, you can. Look at when we mix these colors, how cool this looks.
Sweet.
Okay. Okay, we are now outside. We got cameraman Owen.
Yep.
And we're going to make some galaxy stars. Okay, so we want this paintbrush wet, but not too wet. Oh, you know what? We're time-lapsing, so I don't need to talk. How do you feel about it? I'd get your edges a little more. You know what? We can always add some more later with our hands. So I think you're good. Good job. All right.
We're back. Oh.
So what I'm going to suggest we do is one of us, while we do our transfer, because that's our next step, is we are going to take our picture of Green Lantern here. We're going to use our transfer plate paper.
It helps.
So I already cut some tape. So what I'm going to do is make sure that the picture is where I want it to be, and I'll turn it upside down so our audience can see it the right side up.
Oh.
So we'll do it that way. Now I'm going to tape him in. So I use a green pen. Sometimes a green might not show up, but I do it so that way I know at least where I already colored.
Right.
It doesn't have to be perfect, but I want to get it as close as I can.
Can I see my face? Can I?
I think I got everything. So this is the cool part, but we should have a perfectly traced image.
Whoa.
So now we know where we're supposed to paint. Pretty cool, huh? So now we're going to do the same thing for your painting. All right. Hey, sorry to interrupt. I really had no choice. So if some of you have children, you know, hey, sometimes when kids are done, they're done. So Owen decided that this is good enough. And I agree with him. It does look pretty good. So sorry about the early ending of this video, but I really do hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for checking us out. I'm gonna let him finish it up for me. All right, thanks. Have a good one.
Goodbye.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Yeah.
Cool.
Make sure to leave a thumbs up too.